Ever walk into your kitchen or bathroom and catch that weird, sour, sewer-like smell, but you can't figure out where it's coming from? 9 times out of 10, it's your drains. And the reason they smell is way simpler than you think. Today I'm breaking down the 3 biggest causes of smelly drains and the quick fixes that actually work. Let's start with the number 1 culprit, a dry P-trap. If you've ever looked under your sink, that curved pipe, shaped like the letter P, is designed to hold a small amount of water. Why? Because that water acts like a seal, blocking sewer gases from coming back up into your home. But here's the problem. If a sink or shower doesn't get used often, like a guest bathroom, that water evaporates. Once the trap dries out, the seal is gone, and the smell comes straight through the pipe. So the fix is easy. Just run the water for 10 to 15 seconds. If it's a floor drain, pour in a cup of water. Boom, odor gone. Next up, let's talk about the second biggest cause, bacteria. Your drain is basically a warm, damp slide coated in food particles, soap scum, toothpaste, hair, all the stuff bacteria love to feast on. Over time, that gunk forms a biofilm, a slimy layer that traps odors. And here's the twist. Even if your drain looks clean, the smell can come from deeper inside the pipe. To fix this, you want to break up the biofilm. Start with boiling water. Then use a mix of baking soda and vinegar, not because it's magic, but because the reaction helps loosen the grime. Finish by cleaning the drain stopper. That thing collects more gunk than you think. And finally, the silent killer of kitchen drains, grease. When you pour grease down the sink, it doesn't stay liquid. As it cools, it hardens and sticks to the inside of your pipes. That greasy layer traps food particles, which rot, and that's where the nasty smell comes from. To fix it, flush the drain with hot water and dish soap. The soap helps break down the fat. If it's really bad, you might need a drain snake to scrape the buildup off the pipe walls. Here's how to keep your drains smelling clean long term. Run water in unused sinks weekly. Clean stoppers every 1 to 2 weeks. Never pour grease down the drain, and use boiling water flushes regularly. These tiny habits prevent 90% of drain odors before they start. So if your drains smell, it's almost always a dry P-trap, bacteria buildup, or grease. Fix those and your home smells fresh again.